Hello students, in this video let us see the solutions for the CET questions which was conducted on the 10th of June month. Uh, we'll discuss the questions from 13 to 22nd, so which belongs to the chapter evolution. So let's have a look. So the 13th question, they're asking Urey-Miller's experiment mixture had the following except. So if you remember in the experiment, the Miller, he had taken ammonia, he had taken, and then he had taken the methane. Like they have taken all the gases which are present in the primitive earth conditions. So there is ammonia, there is methane, and there is hydrogen, and there is water vapor. So all these, only these were taken during this experiment, right? So here they're asking which were taken except, so it should be carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide was not taken. Then next question, 14th one. In which era the life was absent? So we know there are different eras. So we have Azoic, then Archaeozoic, Paleozoic, okay, and then we have Proterozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic era. So when we see all this, there is in this Azoic era there was no life was formed. The life has not yet formed. In Azoic era, the invisible life, that means the unicellular organisms, has been originated in Azoic era. So the answer is Azo. Then 15th question. The idea that the life originates from pre-existing life is referred as. So this is given by the scientist Louis Pasteur. So Louis Pasteur, so while he was disproving the theory of spontaneous generation, he had done the experiment, the swan neck shape experiment. So in that he had disproved the theory of spontaneous generation, and by that experiment he also has given the life originates from pre-existing life. So and this theory is considered as a biogenesis theory. Okay. Also, even in this chemical theory of evolution, what they said, abiogenesis first and biogenesis later on. That means the first life will arise from non-living materials, and from then the living organisms will origin. That means one pre-existing life should be there for the other life to originate. Then 16th one, evolution is. So here, if we see all the options, so it is the development of organism through time, that is the correct. So here, evolution, we talk in terms of organism. In organism level, we talk about the changes. Then again, 17th question, this is the direct definition they are asking. Evolutionary history of an organism, this is known as phylogeny. So for any organism, the evolutionary history, if we have to talk about, that is considered as phylogeny. Ancestry means, so for any organism that has origin from which organism, that organism is ancestor. Paleontology is study of fossils. Ontogeny means ancestral characters, it will keep on repeating in the development of an organism. So that is ontogeny. Then 18, which is the unit of evolution. So the unit of evolution is population. So you always when there is evolution, it will be expressed in a population. Even though at the individual level there is some mutations, it is just the changes we call. Whenever in a population that change is adapted, then we call there is some evolution had happened. Then 19, evolution convergence is characterized by. That means the convergence evolution. So here we have this homologous and analogous organs. So we know the analogous organs appearance is because of convergent evolution. Why convergent evolution? Because they origin from different ancestors, but they come to the common point because of the similar functions, right? So here the answer will be option C, development of common set of characters. That means similarity in functions. So in a group of different ancestors will be different. Then 20, vestigial organs present in an adult individual are example of. So again, vestigial organs during the course of evolution, if we see, vestigial organs will be present in the ancestors, and during evolution, their function will be lost, but the organ will be still appearing. Right? So vestigial organ means the organs which are present, but it is functionless, but they are the organs which are present in our ancestors, right? So here this vestigial organs, so this is example for what basis they are asking, what is the evidence, under what evidences it comes. We have different evidences like paleontological, morphological, anatomical, then biogeographical, embryological, right? So under all this, to which category vestigial organs it belongs to, they are asking. Answer is anatomical evidence. Then 21, wing of bird and wing of lice perform similar functions. So it is a direct question. We have the example. So they are the analogous organ because their origin is different. Wings of birds is a modified forelimbs, and the wings of lice, they are produced, they origin from the thorax region, and it is made up of chitin, right? So functionally they are similar because they both help in flying. Then 22nd, Mesozoic era is also called as the golden age of it is reptiles. Under Mesozoic era, we have different period. So which are the different periods? We have Cretaceous, and we have Jurassic, and we have Triassic, right? So these are the different period in Mesozoic era. So why do we call this Mesozoic era as the golden age of reptiles? Because the reptiles were dominating the earth. Their population was very high during Mesozoic era. That is why Mesozoic era is considered as the golden age of reptiles. Right? So that is all from the chapter evolution. So the rest all questions will be discussed in the separate video. Okay then, thank you.